London, but today we're eating at the Peninsula. Dream come true. Don't mind this mess back here. This is my first time wearing heels since, let's see, August, September, October, November. 5 months. This is also my first time getting ready in what feels like forever. Okay, I need to get out of this. You guys, my TikTok algorithm has turned completely into food. And like now, if I see something on TikTok, I feel like I have like such a craving and I have to get it. I just started following someone and she just like does all this like, I guess like mukbang for like Korean food. And I saw Korean fried chicken and I feel like I haven't eaten this in so freaking long. Also, if you guys on TikTok, there's this girl named Danielle that recently has been like, she's been doing so many like caviar snack recipes. And I'm like, do I need to get caviar? Okay, but let me show you guys what I got. BBQ fried chicken. So I got this boneless one. That's like the OG one. Okay, I think I got too much. I thought these pieces were smaller. It said 8 pieces. So I thought they were gonna be really tiny. So we got 2. So now it's looking like it's gonna be too much food. Ooh. And then we got like this soy garlic one. I honestly don't know the flavor, so I just got like whatever was popular. But this is like the best. I love like this pickled radish on the side, and then Kellen got fries. And I'm so starving, and it's like so freaking late right now too. It's like 8:20, but this day is a wash. We're eating this chicken. It's gonna be bomb. I feel like this is also so OG. You just have to eat it out of the container, you know? So I just bleached my hair, and now we are toning it. So before it was like super yellow initially, so we're toning it, and my roots were so long, so Sammy had to do like a darker root. This color is so pretty. Look at my earmuffs. Okay, so I just washed my hair, and this is my first time washing my hair after I got my hair done, and really it is about like how I take care of it in between. So as you guys can see, once I wash it, it gets like a little like tangly looking, and it feels really brittle, so how I take care of it is really important. And I really love this Aki's hair towel. It's a microfiber something towel it's actually better for your hair because it dries your hair faster and it doesn't like pool and do all that stuff to your hair. That was actually not a great explanation, but I love these hair treatments. I have 3. Like, how is my makeup on after my hair? You know, sometimes I just like to flip over in the bathtub and just wash my hair, because I also like to wash my hair with like really cold water sometimes, and I shower with like super piping water. Okay, and then next, what I'm gonna use, I've been using this weekly treatment in my hair, and this is the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. I feel like maybe you guys have seen it. I've been seeing it around on TikTok. I just got it at Ulta, and basically what it does is it's just a leave-in treatment. I already shampooed and conditioned my hair, so basically it's gonna kind of like fall along in your already hair care steps. It doesn't like replace anything, but I just added this in and I use it once a week, and it makes your hair freaking 8 times stronger, which is wild. And right after you use it, your hair is like visibly softer and smoother and shinier, and it reduces like visible signs of damage. And my hair has quite a lot of damage because I've been like dyeing and bleaching. Look how light this is, guys. Like, this is years and years of dedicated bleaching, so it's super processed. So how I take care of my hair in the shower, out of the shower, between hair appointments is really important. You're just gonna start off with 2 pumps, but I do add more. We're just gonna work it into the hair, and I really have to focus on my ends because that's where I have like a lot of breakage and damage, and then also on my hairline because that's where I get some breakage. I'm gonna brush my hair through though, and then just leave this on for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and I'll show you guys just how soft and happy and shiny my hair looks. And then I don't know if there's like I know some people don't brush their hair when it's wet, but I always do. I find that it just like dries better and straighter and detangled. So I like using kind of like a brush like this. I don't think this is a wet brush, but I feel like it kind of is. Like those really, really soft bristle ones. So I basically just like start on the bottom and then brush really gently, because when your hair is wet, I feel like it's a little more sensitive. So brush it through really smooth. So it's so interesting because when I brush my hair, you can see like where the damage starts, and it's like it's really smooth up to here and then it gets really tangly here. So with these, just make sure to brush through it really nice and slow and gently. My hair has gotten so long, but I feel like every other day I really contemplate on just cutting it all off again. It's just easier to take care of, and I just like the way it looks. Now that it's been 10 minutes, I'm going to bleach my hair, and this actually works better with heat. And even for my hair personally, it just styles and settles better when I do apply a little bit of heat. Actually, before I do blow dry, I do like to add a little bit of oil into my hair. And I'm using this, you know, I don't even know, Balmiaro. This one, I've been using this oil, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit into my hair before I do the blow dryer. I do just like to start at the bottom and work it up. So I just blow dry my hair, and then I just like ran the ends with this GHD flat iron. I feel like I only use flat irons to style my hair, but it is looking very nice and soft and healthy.
Make sure to get the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex for yourself at Ulta Beauty.
Apologize for chewing. I'm just like getting last minute bites before I head out for my nail appointment. Look how long these nail beds are. I just have not been on top of my appointments, and I'm so excited to get them done. These are actually my natural nails. I've been doing hard gel. I finally just got my nails done, and also when I get my nails done is my favorite time to catch up on podcasts. I feel like I haven't been as consistent with listening to my podcast, so this was very nice. I listened to actually usuals. I kind of saw, like, I was like, okay, what am I gravitating towards? And I know like the end of the year, everyone does like the goal setting and vision board, and maybe it can get redundant, but for me, I really like it. And I feel like every year it's a little bit different, right? Because there's so many changes, but I just listened to Mariana Hewitt's. It was really, really good. And then another podcast I listened to was Jay Shetty, and he was talking about getting out of your comfort zone, which I'm all about. And there were two questions he asked that I really like. So he was like, what makes you uncomfortable? And then another one is, what are your blind spots for next year? And I thought those were really great questions. So this is my real nail, which is honestly like really freaking impressive. I really like it. I want to see how long I can keep this going for. But I basically just do like a hard gel. So it's super strong. If I feel my nails without the hard gel, then it feels so brittle, like my nail like snaps back. I don't know what is, this nail is so damn dirty. I don't know what happened here. I find my nail inspo, I find it usually on Pinterest. I feel like it has good photos, especially like still images I can show my nail tech. So I did like a rainbow chrome, which is really quite cute, with a nude layer under, which is put it in neutral and OPI. That's like one of my favorite. Also, my favorite things are these stasher bags, because I'm such a big snacker. I have snacks on me all the time, and these reusable silicone stasher bags, and they come in all these cute little colors. So this is literally a 10-minute drive for me, but you know, I still be packing those snacks. I love this like big catch-all Bottega bag that I got. I really like this yellow color, it makes me happy. But this is the perfect size for my laptop. Yeah, I just throw my speakers in here. I don't take the case. This is the Bang & Olufsen one. And then I got this really cute little Chanel bag, or Chanel pouch. Oh, OMG yum. I got a cheeseburger with onions, and I got animal style fries, and I saw this on TikTok that you can get chopped chilies. You can get chopped chilies on your animal style fries or in your burger. I was like, should I put it in both? But I think that's a little too fuego. But that's very clutch. I'm very into this situation.
No, it's like what's always short here.
Wow, look at this hanbok, guys. It's a little surprise skirt. So we just got these candles from Homesick, and I got one called Ski Trip and another called, I think it Snow Day, and it smells so good. I feel like it just smells so festive and holiday-like, and it just like amplifies the natural scent of the tree. It's very cozy in here. Hey. Oh my gosh, she has my eye mask with my shoe? Hello. Okay, okay.
Oh, that's a good stretch.
I just got done with my first Pilates class. I literally was like shaking and it was burning like 10 minutes into it. But yeah, this is my first time taking Pilates since August. So it's been months, but it feels so good to be back. I love Pilates. I'm trying a different one this time because the one I did before was like Legree Pilates. This one, I forget what the machine is called. And I'm actually just trying like private Pilates and, you know, like trying to... I feel like I've kind of felt like physical therapy because of like my foot again, but I'm super excited. The instructor is brilliant, and it is all the way in Brentwood. So I have time to kill right now because if I'm in Brentwood, I had to get John and Vinny's, okay? I should have ordered it earlier, but now I think it's like 30 minutes for pickup. But I really want it. So it's also so cold. I wore these aloe leggings and these are super thick. It's like 2 layers, so it's really warm, but it's just like it cuts off. It's like a 3/4 legging. So I wore my leg warmers, and then I'm also wearing Uniqlo Heat Tech turtleneck. I literally have been living in Uniqlo Heat Tech. I just ordered another whole round because all I had was black, so I ordered it in white. I got a turtleneck. They have like extra warm that's extra thick. And you know what I also like about these is like they're really long, because sometimes when it's not a crop top but it's like a short t-shirt, I feel like I kind of get cold. But these are really long and they're so comfortable. Secured. Oh boy, I sat through Friday traffic. I'm so sleepy. We love this place. Kellen and I, it's just like one of our favorite restaurants. It's so consistently bomb. Margarita pizza. This gem lettuce salad. This gem lettuce salad is divine. Absolutely spicy fusilli is a must. We also really like this cavatelli as well, so let's make a little plate. I feel like this entire vlog is just like me eating. I know it's backlit, but I feel like the tree is so pretty in the back. Thoughts? Okay, fine. Kellen is in a meeting right now, so he's gonna eat after, so I'm just gonna take my little portion. Oh my god, guys, this smells divine. That fucking hits. Honestly, that's so stunning to me. Here are random few things I've been loving lately, and right now I'm like, it's like the middle, I feel like between lunch and dinner, and I'm like, what do I want to snack on? I was like, should I eat yogurt? Should I eat a smoothie? But I really love these. So these have like 16 grams of protein, and it's just, and it also has like probiotics. I think that one has probiotics, but these two are really freaking good. And I know this Tupperware kind of looks like a hot mess, but I got these online. I was initially really excited about them. I feel like they're cute and they stack well, but they're kind of hard to open because there's like no grip. But I don't know why. There's a little condensation going on up in here. But basically, I've been like pre-cutting all my fruits and like pre-washing my snacks, so it's just readily available throughout the day, because sometimes I'll just go for like such stretches of time without eating. And because there's just I feel like there's like no time. So having these available is super, super nice. I've been randomly into kiwis. That's so schmoody in here. Sexy fruits. Really been into kiwis. My mom got me into kiwis, and then that's cute. I think it's like little, what is it? It's just like little tangerines, I guess. So I love eating that. Maybe actually I'll eat one right now. And I've been loving eating these for dessert or like a snack, and I'll eat it with almond butter. And these are pit-free dates. They're so freaking sweet. So sometimes after dinner, I'll just eat this. And then sometimes if I want something really sweet, I'll eat Smart Sweets, which I've been like kind of addicted to. It's like sour gummy candy, and it only has like 3 grams of sugar for the entire bag. So freaking bomb. Ooh, kalbitang on this, like, it's been so cold lately and all I want is soup, and this just looks so heavy.